Okay, well here I have the Ragley Blue Pig, and as you can see I've made a few changes to it. The main one being it's got Hope disc brakes on it. These are Hope C2s. These are one of the first mountain bike disc brakes available. They came out in around 1995, and yeah, really good brakes to this day. To bleed them, undo the reservoir, undo the nipple at the back, get a syringe on the back, suck the fluid, and then pour more fluid in here. It's job done. And pump the lever, of course. You can also basically burp these by undoing this, pouring fluid in, pumping the lever till the bubbles go to the top. Then it'll work again very easily. Yeah, pretty good brakes, you know, not leaking or anything like that. Need the bellows replacing here, but yeah, it's 25 years old, what are you going to do? Braided lines, of course, really high quality. These are made in England, which is cool. However, the other item I know isn't exactly good quality, but they were lying around in the shed and they're a bit wider than the ones that are on it. And I thought just for a cross-country trip across the field they'd be okay. They're not being permanently on here. These are the infamous eBay weight handlebars. I would not go doing anything too extreme on these, as they're not the strongest best made handlebars out there. So if you're doing actual proper mountain biking, yeah, avoid these. But it's a COVID-19 lockdown, so really and truthfully I can only go and ride across the fields and that kind of stuff. Not really supposed to go driving to any bike parks and things like that. So it's just a field cross-country bike at the moment. Yeah, everything else works well. The forks work well. The gears work good. Yeah, it's a really good bike overall for what I paid for it anyway. This cost 45 quid from the auctions. Yeah, I've upgraded it substantially. Next is a rear derailleur that's SRAM to match the shifter. It's got a Shimano one and a SRAM shifter on it at the moment, which doesn't really work. So that concludes this video. There's also the red BMX over there that needs a twist throttle before I can get it running. Unfortunately, we haven't got any twist throttles kicking around, which is kind of crazy. But China had the COVID-19 and then we had it, so that kind of interrupted parts supply, and I've already ordered the parts, so yeah, we'll see what happens. That concludes this video.